What if everything you've been told about anti-aging skincare is a lie? Thousands of dollars spent on creams, serums, collagen supplements, and your skin still shows every year of your age. But what if the most powerful skin rebuilding substance on the planet isn't in any fancy bottle? What if it's sitting in your kitchen right now? And 1 spoon a day is all it takes to melt wrinkles, restore elasticity, and rebuild your skin from the inside out. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share with you is backed by science, and it will change the way you think about aging forever. To understand why this works, you need to understand why your skin ages in the first place. Your skin is made up of 3 major proteins: collagen, elastin, and keratin. Collagen gives your skin its structure and firmness. Elastin allows it to snap back into place, and keratin forms the outer protective barrier. After age 25, your body produces about 1% less collagen every single year. By the time you're 45, you've lost nearly 20% of your collagen. This is why fine lines form, why skin begins to sag, why the face you see in the mirror looks older than the one you remember. The beauty industry knows this, and they sell you creams and topical serums that cannot penetrate deep enough to rebuild what's truly lost. You cannot rebuild collagen from the outside in. You have to rebuild it from the inside out. So, what is this one ingredient? Bone broth. Specifically, high-quality, slow-simmered bone broth. 1 tablespoon of concentrated bone broth, or 1 cup of the broth itself, consumed daily. Now, before you click away, hear me out, because the science here is extraordinary. Bone broth is one of the richest natural sources of type I and type III collagen peptides, the exact forms your skin uses to rebuild its structure. It also contains glycine and proline, 2 amino acids that are the literal building blocks of new collagen fibers. When you consume bone broth, your gut absorbs these peptides and transports them directly to your skin's dermal layer, the same layer that creams can never reach. Studies have shown that regular collagen peptide intake significantly reduces wrinkle depth, increases skin elasticity, and boosts skin hydration in as little as 8 weeks. But that's not all. Bone broth is packed with hyaluronic acid, the same ingredient in high-end injectable fillers, which holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, plumping your skin naturally from within. And it contains zinc and copper, 2 minerals that activate the enzymes your body uses to actually assemble new collagen strands. This is the full anti-aging package, and it costs almost nothing. Here's exactly how to get the most out of this. Option 1, drink it. 1 cup of slow-simmered bone broth daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. This maximizes peptide absorption. Option 2, concentrated form. 1 tablespoon of bone broth concentrate dissolved in warm water. Same benefits, easier for busy schedules. Option 3, cooking. Use bone broth as the base for your soups, stews, and sauces. You'll get the benefits without thinking about it. For best results, combine it with vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis. Adequate hydration. Water amplifies hyaluronic acid, affects reduced sugar intake. Sugar breaks down collagen through a process called glycation. Give it 8 weeks of consistency, and the results will speak for themselves. Your skin doesn't age because time passes. It ages because it stops receiving what it needs to rebuild. Bone broth gives your skin back the raw materials, the collagen precursors, the minerals, the amino acids that every expensive cream in the world tries to mimic and fails. Nature already solved the problem. It's time you used it. If your skin has been aging faster than you'd like, if you've wasted money on products that didn't deliver, give your body what it actually needs. 1 spoon every day, 8 weeks. That's the prescription. Now I want to hear from you. Comment spoon in the comments right now if you're going to try this. And if you're already using bone broth for your skin, tell me your experience below. Your comment could help someone completely transform their skin health. Let's build this community together. Drop it down below. And if you learned something new today, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video from Dr. Smart Anatomy. Every week we break down the science behind your body so you can make smarter decisions about your health, your nutrition, and your life. I'm Dr. Smart Anatomy, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care of your body. It's the only one you have.